This is a 2013 BMW K1600 Gtl. It has a 6-cylinder liquid-cooled transverse inline 6 with a displacement of 1,649 cc's. It has double overhead cams, 4 valves per cylinder. It has a dry sump and a 6-speed transmission with a hydraulically actuated wet clutch. It's running on a set of brand new Pirelli Gran Turismo tires. The front tire is a 120/70 ZR17. The rear is a 190/55 ZR17 also. The bike weighs in at 757 pounds wet, fully loaded with fuel. It has a load capacity of approximately 400 pounds. The fuel tank capacity is 7 gallons. You can expect to get approximately 50 miles per gallon, traveling at approximately 55 to 60 miles per hour, and about 40 miles per gallon, traveling at 70 to 75 miles per hour. The 7 gallons of fuel give you an estimated 280 mile range between fill-ups. The seat height on the bike is approximately 30.5 inches. The engine's got a rated horsepower output of 160 horsepower at 7,750 RPMs with 129 foot-pounds of torque, or 175 Newton meters of torque at 5,250 RPMs. The approximate maximum speed, which is governed by the computer, is 140 miles per hour. It takes premium unleaded fuel, and it has an enclosed, sealed drive shaft. The wheelbase of the bike is about 67 inches. The overall length of the bike is 97 inches, with an approximate width of about 39 inches. Standard equipment on the bike includes integral anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, an audio system with tuner, Sirius XM satellite radio, also with an iPod USB interface and auxiliary interface. It has xenon self-leveling headlights, heated seats, heated grips, cruise control, a multifunction display with an onboard computer, a rear luggage rack, LED rear lighting, and a power accessory socket. As well as the standard features, this bike has special package features which include the safety package with adaptive headlights, dynamic traction control, and electronic tire pressure monitoring system. The GTL luxury package, also included on the bike, includes LED fog lights, electronic suspension adjustment, a central locking system, and an anti-theft alarm. When you're riding in very hot weather, simply open the winglets on either side, which will allow the air to travel and be channeled along the side of the bike right to the seat area to help cool you down. To remove the rear top box, simply unlatch it, put your hand inside. You'll see the release mechanism catch, which you simply turn into the release position. Turn it, close the lid, and lift off the box. You can see that this bike is equipped with premium crash guard protectors on the front fairing and also protecting the rear boxes. These are from T-Rex Racing. There's also tech-spec snake skin protection on the front tank, knee grippers, and on the top of the rear boxes. To remove the rear luggage panniers or side boxes for storage, you'll need your ignition key. Put it in the rear lock, turn it to the release position, and the handle will pop up. Lift straight up and the box will come off. Repeat on the other side. Remove the opposite side pannier. To reinstall your luggage panniers, it's just the reverse procedure. Simply lift up, slot the tabs into the side position places, turn your key, press down, and put in the lock position. Remove your key and push down on the handle.